Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 Expedition Max Platinum in white platinum with black leather interior. Seating for 7, 4 doors and a hatch. This has got a 3.5 liter V6 all-wheel drive engine. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat also has memory. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar and also has massage. These seats are nicely stitched and have the Platinum logo right at the top there, and quite comfortable. Off to the side here, you're seeing power pedals, lighting controls. This is the control for the seats as well as the lift gate. You've got a grab handle, making it easier to get in, and as well your steering wheel has power tilt and telescoping. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system with volume, and media control. This is a push start, so the key's in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button. And there's our nice B&O stereo system that we're hearing there, and I'm just going to turn it down on the steering wheel volume control, and we can toggle through our menu on the dash. So you've got My View, Trip Fuel, Vehicle Info, Towing, Off-Road, and Settings, and these all have sub-menus. Up above, you're seeing a little cubby there that you can put things, and then you have hill descent, traction controlled, hazard lights, lane keeping, auto stop start for better fuel economy, and your view for the vehicle for when you're going in reverse. You've got a nice camera there. You just press on that for different options. You can go back, and we'll just touch on the screen there, go back to the original, there we go. You've got your settings and as well climate. You also have a heated steering wheel and dual climate control, and you've also got navigation. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, as we saw with that camera, that's where you're seeing your backup camera view. You have your volume and tuner and your CD player, and below that you have the dials for the dual climate control, and it's showing you the actual temperature right now, so you can control it on the screen or you can touch it, which is really nice. And you have heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, as well as AC, max AC, and you also have your front and rear defrost. Off to the side you have your trailer backup. It's Pro Trailer Backup and integrated trailer brake controller. You've got a little cubby down there, and it's got 2 USB outlets, and there's your automatic shifter. You can actually dial through a couple of cup holders, and then this just closes right up if you don't want to look at it. And you also have your drive mode as well as park assist and parking sensors. So with your drive mode, when you turn this dial, you're going to see it on your dash. And so there's normal, eco, sport, tow haul, mud ruts, sand, grass, gravel, snow, and then back to normal again. So you're ready for any conditions. You also have an armrest, and when you open that up, you've got a little bin in there. You can take that out. Lots of room, and a 12-volt outlet. Off to the side, you have another 12-volt outlet to be able to power things up. You have a glove compartment, and up above, an auto-dimming rear view mirror. There's your universal garage door opener. You have your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and as well you've got the controls to be able to slide and tilt that sunroof. Today it's a little bit rainy and wet, so we're going to keep it closed. 2-inch wheels, retractable running boards, chrome handles with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The back hatch has a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup camera is located just below the Expedition logo. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, a trailer hitch that's hidden in that center portion, and when you're ready to open up that hatch, you can do so by double-clicking your fob. Inside it's nice and roomy and carpeted, and I've got one of the seats down and the other one up in the 3rd row, and you're also seeing the extra carpeted mats, and there's also light off to the side, as well as hooks and bins to be able to put things. There's a 12-volt there, and off to the side here you're seeing the power controls for the 2nd and 3rd row seating to fold them down, and this just makes everything so much easier. When you're ready to close everything up, you've got a handle up to the right. You can push the button to the left, and you can also give it a kick. And that's another way that it can go down or up. It chimes to let you know it's closing securely. You can then lock it up and walk away, jump in and head out on your latest adventure, and you also have remote start on your fob. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 2 in this row, and the captain seats have armrests. Very easily lift the lever and the seat will go right down and then pop out of the way. In the back you have seating for 3, and you're seeing extra carpeted mats. I've got one of the seats down, and it's a 60-40 split. They also have anchors on the back of the seats to be able to tether baby seats. And when you're ready to put them in the upright position, simply push right up, and there you go. On the floor you have an all-weather mat, slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. In the center, a couple of cup holders. You also have volume controls there, as well as climate control, 110-volt outlet, USB, and heated seat controls. Grab handles in the body. You've got lighting, hooks, handles, and that panoramic view. Glass in the rear windows, roof rails, powered and heated side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer. Glass in the rear windows, roof rails, powered and heated side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.